Is this a Goldilocks scenario here, these numbers?
I would say so. These were nice numbers. They vindicated the view we've held for some time that there is no immediate inflation threat on the horizon. And I think whatever misgivings anyone might have about the economy or parts of the economy, those certainly do not reside with the consumer. The consumer is in very strong shape, both from an income flow standpoint, also from a balance sheet standpoint. So these are good numbers. They are supportive for the fourth quarter.
So Nate, put that together with what you told us earlier about 2019 being a slowdown in growth. If we continue to have personal income and personal spending going up, can the consumer get us through that?
The consumer is the U.S. consumer in particular is
Yes.
the hottest area for global dynamics right now. I mean, they're the one pillar that has really held up really well. These numbers on the spending side don't surprise me too much because keep in mind, we just had retail numbers come out not too long ago, and they were actually pretty good as well. So it doesn't surprise me we got a little bit of a beat on the spending side. And so overall, if the consumer can continue to push through, that's great. But there's some evidence that the consumer can't because you're already seeing some dynamics with the bigger purchases, such as homes, such as autos, where there is some weakness. So you have good spending overall, and the retail sales likely this fall and into the winter is going to be good. But ultimately, there's some risk.
Simona, also put this together with the tax cuts, because the president keeps telling us people have more money in their pocket. How much of what we're seeing here in income and spending is specifically because of the tax cuts, and therefore could it sort of go away, at least on a base case, year over year, it won't keep going up?
I'm not too concerned about that. I don't think the bulk of consumption has been driven by the tax benefits. Really, what's driving strong consumption is the strength of the labor market. It's strong employment, is moderate, not excessive, but moderate wage gains. This is what's driving consumption. And on those two fronts, I don't think there is much evidence of any sort of impending doom.